We're about to make a shot that breaks all the rules, especially if you think that an old fashioned can only be made with whiskey. You are dangerously mistaken.
So, let's get ready for your new gentleman's shot.
Intro. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And your boy Kareem.
Make sure you subscribe to our videos because we're right in the middle of our November challenge.
That's right. And we're finishing off Tequila Week with this beverage right here.
A smoky old fashioned shot. Let's get started. So let's get started making our shot. First thing you need is a mixing glass or some kind of mixing glass. We're not going to be using a shaker today because old fashions are typically not made within a shaker because you don't necessarily shake old fashions, you stir them because you don't want them to get too cold, okay? You don't want to dilute the flavors too much, you want the ice to slowly melt in it. So we're going to take our mixing glass. We're also going to make sure that we have our spoon. You're going to take 2 ounces or 2 dashes, of, if I can open this, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Then, you're also going to need 2 dashes of orange bitters.
Bumbo.
Oh, but a hand strikes again. Then, you're going to get yourself some demarara syrup. A little bit of a dash. You're going to drop a couple drops in there. Nothing too crazy. We just want a little bit of flavor. And you're going to need a reposado for this one, but we're doing a little bit of a Brew Broz twist. Make sure you check out our video right above over here because we're going to be using a serrano and pineapple infused reposado. So we took our gritona and we infused those flavors into this drink, or into the alcohol, I should say, and we're going to use this for our shot. Now, what would be really helpful right now is if I had some ice. So, can I get some ice with this? You see, the beauty of this is that I asked for some ice, and it happens to magically appear. See? Look at this. Now, as I said before, old fashions you typically don't shake. You take your mixing spoon, and you just stir it up. Couple seconds, you don't need much, maybe 20 seconds or so. Now here's going to be the cool part. To make it a smoky old fashioned, we're actually going to smoke it. We're going to smoke some wood chips into it. So I'm going to use my handy dandy kit that I got over here. Got a little torch. We got a little thingy thing here. I don't know what it's called, but this is where you're going to put the wood chips. And we'll be using mesquite wood chips today. So, first thing we do, put this on top. Open up our wood chips. Take the little cool little spoon. Get a couple wood chips right here. How smoky do you want it?
Very smoky.
Okay. Kareem likes his drinks a little smoky, or I should say very smoky, so we're going to use a lot of wood chips in here. And hopefully this works out because it's my first time doing it on camera and I don't want to fail. Add it. There you go. That should be more than enough. Okay, we're going to take our torch, light this bad boy up. And let it smoke. Maybe a little more. All right, let's get ready to pour out our shots. So we let this smoke for a little bit, and now we're gonna pour out our shots. Hopefully this is ready. Look at that smoke.
Nice.
All right, moment of truth. Oh, look at that. It's more than enough. Okay. And here we have our Smokey Tequila Old Fashioned. Ready?
Yeah. Cheers.
Ooh. That is a mix of flavor right there.
Wow.
All right, Kareem. First thoughts.
You get a little bit of sweetness. Then you get the orange. It's very layered. Then you get the heat.
Okay.
Then it's followed by smokiness.
I have a little bit of an opposite effect because I'm not getting the sweetness. I get the orange. I get the bitters. I get the spicy flavors, and then the smoke. There's no sweetness for me. It's just like strong flavor. Bam, 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 bam. One right after the other.
Yeah. Wow. Complex.
Interesting. The Serrano and pineapple infused tequila makes this very different. Makes it very interesting.
Very.
It's not a typical old fashioned at all.
Not at all. It's
not even close to the old fashioned that we made before.
Yeah.
Check out that video.
But this is good.
Yeah, no, this is good. But it's so different. It leaves me baffled almost.
Yeah. I don't know where to place it.
As far as like score wise?
In general.
Brew Broz scale.
Okay.
1 to 5. What would you give this?
Wow. I would
Pause.
Yes. I would give it a 3.7.
3.7. Ladies and gentlemen, leave a comment down below if you agree with Kareem's score. Let us know if you try this. And even if you can't smoke your own shots, give it a shot anyway. Give this a try.
It's a very good shot.
The smoke just gives it a little extra layer, an extra flavor. But if you don't have the kit, no biggie.
Just make it as... You could make it as a cocktail, too.
That's true. Stay tuned, because next week we have Tequila Week coming up.
No, this is Tequila Week.
Next, stay tuned, because next week we have Vodka Week coming up. And you don't want to see what kind of craziness we got going on for that.
All right.
Where's the record? I'm going to let this run. Should we redo that? I kind of want to leave it in. Okay. Ready?
All right.
Okay. Yeah. So stay tuned, because next week... Okay. It's getting hot. All right, 3.
All right.
So stay tuned, because next week we have a Vodka Week.
Yes.
Dude, close this out. Do your.
I don't.
Like, share,
comment, and subscribe.
On that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly.
You want another one?
Yeah. Okay.